Have you ever wondered about the silent architects who are tirelessly working to restore our ecosystems? If not, then it's time to meet the beavers, nature's very own engineers. Their remarkable work in dam construction has profound effects on our environment, effects that ripple outwards towards climate resilience. We begin with the first stroke of genius, the dam construction. Beavers are master builders using branches, mud and rocks to erect their dams. Picture a beaver, hard at work, creating a dam that gives rise to ponds and wetlands. These bodies of water do more than just provide a home for the beavers, they help regulate water flow, reduce erosion, and recharge groundwater. Now imagine a storm, heavy rain pounding the earth, water rushing towards lower ground. Ordinarily this could lead to disastrous flooding. But with a beaver dam in place, the water's progress slows, its destructive force mitigated. This is how beavers help in flood prevention, acting as guardians against downstream flooding and erosion. If you think that's impressive, consider this. Beaver ponds also act as natural filters. Sediment and pollutants in the water are trapped as they flow through these ponds. This not only improves water quality downstream by reducing sedimentation, but also filters out harmful contaminants. And while they work, beavers also create homes for a variety of species. The wetland habitats born from their dams are teeming with life, including fish, amphibians, birds, and insects. These habitats are biodiversity hotspots, providing valuable ecosystem services. Beavers don't stop at creating habitats, they also restore them. Their activities help to reconnect rivers with their floodplains and create meanders, restoring natural stream channels. This not only improves habitats for fish, but also increases aquatic biodiversity and enhances the overall health of the ecosystem. Perhaps the most impressive of all is the role beavers play in climate resilience. Their dams store water during dry periods and provide critical habitats during extreme weather events, acting as buffers against the impacts of climate change. In conclusion, beavers are the unsung heroes of our ecosystems. Their dam-building activities create complex wetland habitats, prevent floods, improve water quality, and even help to combat climate change. The next time you see a beaver dam, remember, it's not just a pile of sticks and mud. It's a testament to the power of nature and the crucial role that even the smallest creatures play in maintaining the balance of our world.